Hi guys, how are you doing? Hope you're doing good, hope you're doing great. It's AJ Sarah, and today I'm going to share with you guys a very special look, a baddie look. So if you know you're a baddie and yeah, you just saw this thumbnail and you're like, yeah, I need to see this for myself, this look is for you. So let's get right into the video. If you're a returning subscriber, you should also know that I love to set my face first before I apply my foundation, because it does something. I don't know what it does, but it does something, and I just like it. So I'm going to set my face right now. I don't apply like too much. Most times I just put some on the cover and just tap it out like that, and I'm good to go. So I just apply that all over my skin. So now I'm going in with my foundation, and I'm going to use little foundation on my skin because I don't really like to use much. I'm going to blend it all in with my brush. With my blender, and I'm going to just blend everything in. So right now I grabbed my concealer palette and I'm going in under my eyes and every other areas that I want to highlight. I'm gonna go on the sides of my chin like that, and on the sides of my nose as well. I'm going to start blending, and I'm going to start with my highlighted areas. Now I'm going to start blending in my contour. To go in with my I always get the name wrong, I just don't know why. I'm going to go in with my beauty blender, and I'm going to blend and press it all in. So now I'm going in with a blush, and I'm just going to tap that in just like that. So now I'm going in with my setting powder, and I'm going to set my face. So now I'm going to do my brows, and I want to show you guys how I do this. So it's real simple. I don't really do much to my brows these days. I just use some soap brows, or I use my hair wax. And I'm going to apply that on my eyebrow like that, and I'm going to use this brush to brush it out. And I'm just going to fill in some places that are like very scanty, so I'm just going to fill that in. So yeah, I'm done with my brows. That's simple, that quick. The quickest brows you'd possibly ever do. So now it's time for the main thing. So it's gonna be more like a winged cut crease. I don't know how to explain it, but I hope you get. Give me the key, I'm inside you. inside she set me free. Now there's nothing that you got me losing my mind. Give your all to me. Then I'm going to do the same thing to the other side as well. It's the eyes for me. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use like a more winged brush like this one to get it straight and even. It's definitely the eyes for me. So right now I'm going to go in with my mascara and I'm going to apply on my upper lashes. And I'm going to use my sponge to press down the powder into my skin. I'm going under my eyes with the same concealer shade. Hey. It's definitely like it's giving me some kind of alien vibes. I don't know if you're feeling it, but I am feeling it. I am definitely feeling it. So now I'm going to go under my eyes with some mascara. So right now I'm going to apply this my pink lip stick on my lips. So now I'm going to apply my lip gloss on my lips. Apply my lashes and I'll be right back. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you try this look out because it's a die for. I hope you've learned a thing or two. If you haven't subscribed already, subscribe to my channel because I have more to come for you guys, and trust me, you're gonna enjoy it. Leave a like for this video so that YouTube can recommend this video to more people like you who just love makeup. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.